name is Edgar Perea. I'm with Outdoor Grilling Innovations, and I'm here to introduce to you the most innovative gas grill in the market today. My Hibachi 3-in-1 BBQ allows you to cook from 3 different cooking features, all while having friends and family sit around to enjoy your meal. Our unit comes fully equipped with a commercial-grade 304 stainless steel griddle plate, a stainless steel barbecue grill, and our cast iron multi-purpose stovetop. Our eating tables were designed for an easy setup. All we do is lift and snap. We designed this with high-quality birchwood and ceramic tile. Birchwood does not retain any heat nor humidity, so while cooking, none of that heat transfers over to the eating plates. The ceramic tile will keep your plate nice and warm. Now, to bring it back down, all we do is fold in, we lift, snap, and drop. Very easy to set up, no tools required. Included with our unit comes our commercial-grade stainless steel hibachi griddle plate. This plate is 10mm thick, 100% 304 stainless steel straight through. It is the same quality that one would find at your typical hibachi-style restaurant, but right in your own backyard. We added handles for easy removal. This plate alone weighs about 50 pounds. While cooking with our hibachi griddle plate, all your grease will fall into our 304 stainless steel grease tray. This grease tray will bring all your grease and drops into our 304 stainless steel drip pan. The drip pan is oversized, easy to remove, which makes it very easy to clean. Our grease tray is also removable, very easy to clean. One standard AAA battery is required for the igniter, positive side out. Once battery has been placed, press into the control knob to activate the igniter and turn to activate the burner. This will activate inner and outer burner. If one wants to use just inner, press in again, and it will lock you down to just the inner burner, low, medium, or high. Now to switch from your hibachi feature to a standard barbecue grill, all you're doing is changing out these tops. And just like that, you went from your hibachi feature to your standard barbecue feature. Here you have a commercial grade 304 stainless steel barbecue grill. While using the grilling feature, any grease that falls gets burned by the flame before it touches the burner. Any grease that falls around the burner falls right onto our 304 stainless steel grease trap, which covers the whole bottom surface. This entire plate removes completely for a nice and easy clean. And to switch to your multi-purpose stovetop, easily remove your barbecue grill and place your cast iron multi-purpose stovetop, which allows you to use a frying pan and/or deep fry your turkey or broil your crab legs, shrimp, or lobster. Anything you can cook inside can now be cooked outside with this multi-purpose feature. This is like having an outdoor stovetop.
All right, who's gonna get it? Right here, right here.
Oh! Included with our unit is our 4 heavy-duty casters with a built-in brake system and your standard propane tank gas valve.